Since 1983, MIDI has connected instruments and music software. ConnectThroughMIDI extends the power of MIDI, enabling real-time, human-to-human musical collaboration. ConnectThroughMIDI lets musicians play off each other. One person plays a chord and someone else can use the MIDI pitch info to trigger sounds like an arpeggiated harmony or bass line. This opens up a new layer of musical dialogue, extending MIDI from a control tool into a creative language between players. ConnectThroughMIDI makes it easy to musically link across different instruments and controllers. For example, a synth sound can be shaped by someone else's joystick. And with support for MIDI 2.0, ConnectThroughMIDI will automatically detect which parameters are available and make them easy to map and to control. Because ConnectThroughMIDI works with any MIDI device, it opens the door for everyone to join in. From professional to inexpensive MIDI gear, everything becomes a powerful musical tool with ConnectThroughMIDI. Everyone can play, shape and connect. Made to enable collaborative music making, it's ideal for inclusive settings, group workshops or music sessions focused on expression. MIDI connects instruments and music software. ConnectThroughMIDI connects people.